Warm welcome you all to channel Meet MIT, that is Math is Tricky. In this video I'll be dealing with some problems about derivative that are being asked in different entrance exams. So first question is for you. You can see here the first question is derivative of root x, and we have to find its answer, and we have four options. You can check here. So first one is 2 root x, second one is 1 by root x, then third one is x, and fourth one is 1 by 2 root x. So what is your answer? So simply let's see the solution. I think you know this. I think you know its answer. Very simple. So what we can do here, root x means we can simply write here x power 1 by 2. So let here y equal this. So you can write here. So dy by dx will be how much? Dy by dx means dx power 1 by 2 by dx, and so we can use the formula for here 1 by 2 x power 1 by 2 minus 1. So it is here 1 by 2 x power how much? We can write here take LCM just here, so it is minus 1 by 2, and simply we can write here 1 by 2 root x. So what's your answer is D. It's very simple. So what do I suggest is, please you better you memorize this. So root x is derivative of root x will be always 1 by 2 root x. That is your answer. So let's move for next question. You can see here this type of easy questions are also being asked in your entrance exam. So you don't have to worry about your entrance. Sometimes very easy questions are coming. So let me write here second question again from your entrance exam. That is second question is derivative of cosec x. So simply we are here given different options. For first one is cot x, second one is minus cosec x, third one is minus cosec x, cot x, fourth one is option is here sin x. So and this question was asked in AFU exam 2070. Again here it is a question from 2070. So what we can do here, it's very simple. Just you memorize this. I think it's just a formula, so you can simply write here cosec x means, so where is cosec x? See, cosec x means cosec x, not only cosec x, it will be containing cot x also. So that's your answer. And always remember, if trick here, if it starts from trick dc, by always derivative of all the trigonometric ratios starting from c is always negative. So remember, so this trick will help you. So obviously we are going to tick in option C. That's your answer. Very simple. Just memorize. Maybe here 10x. So some more I'm just sharing for you. Maybe here 10x. So you know answer is sec square x. If it is here 10x, so if it is here sec x, so answer will be sec x 10x. Memorize like this. This is just this formula. Next one, if it is cot x, so as I told you, it starts from c, so it will be negative cosec square x. Like this you can take. So let's move for again another question, and that's, as I told you, so many easy questions are being asked. So let me try. Let me write here another question, third question for today. So this question is here. Derivative of cos h and inverse sec x. It is containing hyperbolic function. So different options are there. So first one option is sec x. So first one option is sec x. Option B is here sin x. C is tan x. And the fourth one option is given here minus cot x. So now let's see the solution. It is again question from TUAG 2068. So what's its correct answer? Okay, so let's see the solution. I'll be explaining the solution with some trick also. So solution will be simply here solution we have to find derivative. So let y equals cos h inverse sec x. So simply y dash dy by dx derivative means, so it's a formula. Simply so you write what you do here, derivative of, remember this, derivative of cos h inverse x is derivative, this is here, its answer is 1 by x square minus 1 square root. So remember this formula. In this is, as I told you, this is a hyperbolic function. So what we can write here, so derivative of, so d cos h inverse sec x, first we'll write here, and then see here after cos sec, cos, what is the angle here, sec x, so you write here sec x. We are using here chain rule, okay. So to balance this we'll write here d sec x by dx. So as I told you, so you can see here this will be 1 by sec square x minus 1 square root will be there, and sec x, derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. So what's our answer? You can see easily here we are getting answer will be simply here. So this is sec square x means tan x. So you can write here tan x 1 by tan x into sec x into tan x. So tan x cancel. So answer will be sec x. So which one is our correct answer? Option A. Sec x is your answer. So one more thing I will be sharing about this hyperbolic function. Always remember, for hyperbolic function, this trick is very important. For hyperbolic function, always you remember, always derivative of d by dx for cot hx will be negative. Again d by dx sec hx will be negative. Then d by dx cot hx will be always negative. It's all negative. This will be negative, then the other all will be positive. So one more relation I'll write here so that it will be useful for you. Cos h square x minus sin h square x equals 1. This is main formula. Please you remember this in case of hyperbolic function. Based on this, now you can do other problems. So let me do another question from your entrance exam. Let's see the fourth question. Fourth question is here, if e power x plus e power y equals e power x plus y, so we need to find dy by dx. Dy by dx equals what? We are given here different options, so just I'm writing here. The first one option is a, e power y minus x. B power option is here e power x minus y. C is minus e power y minus x. D is option D is minus e power x minus y. So you can see here different options are given here, and now the given condition. So what we can do here, this can be solved in different ways. Let's see the solution. And this question is from here entrance exams, but that is not mentioned. So just this question, how to do this, I'm just sharing for you. So what we can do here, differentiating both sides. We are given here e power x, e power y equals e power x plus y. So let's differentiate both sides. Differentiating both sides. So what we can get here, ex, derivative of this will be e y and y dash equals, this will be e power x plus y, and then differentiating this will be getting here e1 plus y dash. So how we are getting answer? So for this type of question, e power x plus e power y times y dash, and this will be here simply e power x plus y plus y dash times e power x plus y. So now again write here e power x plus e power y times y dash. For this you just write here the same question here we can use here. So e power x plus e power y plus y dash e power x plus y. So now what we are getting here, e power x cancel. So what we get here from this, if I take here y dash common, so e power y minus e power x plus y equals e power y. Let me now simplify. So after this you can see here what we are getting here again, or let's put the value of this e power. So e power y minus e power x minus e power y equals times here y dash is here, so y dash, or here how much e power y, so how much we are getting here e power y cancel, so what we are getting here y dash equals e power y by minus e power x. Simply it can be written as minus e power y minus x. So which one is your answer? You can see it's option C. Okay, so this is your correct answer. Always dy by dx will be negative times, simply this will be in power e power y by e power x. If you memorize in this way, it will be easy for you to solve in exam. Different methods are also there to find the answer for this type of problems. I am explaining another method also. So simply here alternative method also we can use. Always this is what we can write here. We can start like this. We have e power x plus e power y equals e power x plus y. So we can write like this: e power x plus e power y minus e power x plus y equals 0. Now what we can do here, always dy by dx equals, this is another method. So to solve the same problem, always write here minus d, you just differentiate this with respect to x. So it will be how much? Differentiate this with respect to x means e power x, this will be 0 minus e power x plus y. While differentiating with respect to x, others all will be constant, taken as constant. So now differentiate with respect to y. So it will be, this will be 0 e power y minus e power x plus y. You can see here. So now let's simplify this so that we'll be getting here minus is here. You can see the value of e power x minus e power x plus y. So it is here simply e power x minus e plus y means minus e power y, and down one you can see here e power y minus e power x plus y means it will be minus here. So simply e power, this will be here minus e power x. So minus minus cancel, again as I told you minus e power y minus x. Same answer we are getting. This is another method. So in this way also we can simplify. So I explained two methods, also a trick to do the same problem within second. Here you can solve this problem within second. So next question is given here. So this question from, again I'm taking from another entrance exam. This question is simply here. So let's see another question. This is the function. It is given here fx equals, the function fx equals 5x cubed minus 135x plus 22 is decreasing in, we have different options are given, 3 to infinity, b number option is minus infinity to minus 3, option C is here minus 3 to 3, option D is from minus infinity to infinity. And this is question from AFU 2070. See the answer. This is just application of derivative. So okay, so what we do to find the interval, we have, so first we have to find f dash x. So f dash x is how much? 15x square minus 135. So we can take here 15 common, 15 is common, so x square minus 9. We can write here 15 times x minus 3 and x plus 3. Now by solving, if I write here f dash x equals 0, we'll be getting here x equals 3 and minus 3. So now your intervals will be like this. Minus 3 is here, 3 is here. So different intervals. This one we can move, another interval this, and the third one is this. So now we'll check for all one by one. Okay, so let's see here. For in decreasing interval, f dash must be negative. So now for which value we are getting here negative? Let's see here. So first one, so what we can do here, when first one, see here, x is less than minus 3. So let's take here any value here, suppose say minus 4. So this will be negative, minus minus negative, and this is also negative. So answer will be finally positive. So f dash x will be positive, so increasing. So this is not our answer. So let's try for next one. When x is now greater than 3, for this interval I'm trying. So take any value, say 4. So this is also positive, this is also positive. So this will again, it is positive, f dash will be positive, so again increasing. So this is not our answer, obviously. So for the remaining one, when x is greater than minus 3 and less than 3, so say any value 2, I'm taking 2. So this is going to be negative, this is positive, so negative times positive means negative. So f dash is here negative for this one interval. So our answer is minus 3 to 3. That's your answer. Because for decreasing interval, first to find decreasing interval, the interval in which function is decreasing, it should be derivative of function must be 6(1), question number 6. So it should be negative. For increasing, it should be positive. So another question I'm taking from entrance exam, I can see here, very good question. So y equals x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 plus x power 4 by 4 plus dot 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 to infinity, and then we have to find again y dash means first derivative equals what? The question, different answers we have here, the options are here. I'm just writing x by 1 minus x square, b is x by 1 plus x square, c is option C is x by 1 minus x, d equals option is here x by 1 plus x. And this question is from again TUAG 2070. Okay, so let's see what's its answer. Okay, so to solve this, in this case we'll be using here, you can see the right hand side, given right hand side, the for given equation, the right hand side, it's just by looking we can see, we can have an idea that it's a series, and it's series for log function. So we have, I'm just going to use this log 1 minus x equals, all will be minus, so all negative, x minus x square by 2 minus x 3 by 3 minus x power 4 by 4 minus dot 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 to infinity. So just make it here positive, so it will be here negative log 1 minus x equals, this all will be here positive, 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 and this also x power 4 by 4 positive or positive to infinity. Now you can see here, if I bring this to this side, so minus x minus log 1 minus x, so this remaining will be, you can see here, just y, so y, and therefore we can write here y dash equals, derivative of this means minus 1, derivative of log x is 1 by x, but derivative of this will be minus 1, so it is going to be plus. So if you simplify this, then you'll be getting here minus 1 plus x and plus 1 by 1 minus x. So plus minus cancel. So what we got here? Oh, this cancel. So we got here x by 1 minus x. So which is our correct option? C. Option C is your correct answer. Okay. So if you are understanding, please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and share among your friends. Please encourage me through your comments, and please share this video among your friends. I am uploading many more videos for you and for your betterment. Let's see another question I'm taking here. Derivative of sec x. I think already told no derivative of, see here, the derivative of sec x. Already this is just the formula. So this is question again from 2000 TU AG 2065. Question 2065. Very simple. Just its formula, you know. So we need to do this. So simply you can write here. Answer is option here sec x option, and then 10x, and then option C is there cosec x, and then sec, and the last one is sec x, tan x. So we can direct here this formula, as I told you. This the answer will be just sec x tan x. Direct you can tick here. So you can see here, so easy questions are coming in exam. So you don't have to, again I'm telling you, don't have to worry about entrance exams. Just prepare well, and then so that you will get your name list, your name in the name list. So you can get the scholarship. So let's see here another question. The derivative of log x square is. So different options are here. 1 by x square, c 2 by x, d 2 by x square. And this question is from TU AG 2065. Okay, so very simple question. So direct you can write here answer. Solution, let it be y equals, let here log x square. So what we can do here, dy by dx. If you suppose this as y, so dy by dx will be how much? D log x square by dx. But see here, after log whatever is there, so it should be here. So just use chain rule, so that we'll be getting answer. So answer is log x means 1 by x. So it is 1 by x square times derivative of x square is 2x. So by cancellation we'll be getting here 2 by x. That's your answer. So option C, that's correct answer. So what I suggest, in case of log, simply write here in trick. You can write here in one line, no need to waste your time. So see here, log means 1 by x. X is out here x square. So now chain rule, use x. Derivative of x square means 2x. So simply we'll be getting here 2 by x. Direct you can write here answer. So let me write another question. Question number 9. So you can see here, so easy questions are coming in entrance exams. So don't worry, just prepare, focus on your preparations, prepare well, and so that you will get your name in scholarship list. You will get the scholarship, your preparation. So next question is derivative of a power x is. Different options are there, just I'm writing here options. So a power x, b is a power x log a, c is a power x by log a, d, option D is the none. Okay, so and this question is from TU AG 2064. Okay, so easy questions are coming here exam. You can see here. Now let's see the solution for this. I'll be explaining different methods for this. So this is like formula. So let here solution, if you want to write here solution. So solution will be how much? So y equals a power x. So we can start with taking log also on both sides. Log y equals how much? X log a. So derivative, now differentiating, we'll get here 1 by y and y dash. X derivative of x is 1, so it is simply log a. So what we got here? Y dash equals y means a power x times log a. So what's your correct answer? So a power x log a. That's the B correct answer. So next method. Let's see here for this same. Next method is what we can do here. Next method. method just for the same question. We can write here y equals a power x. It can be written as here e power, always write here log a power x. So it will be simply e power x log a. So what can we write here? So y dash is simply e power x means same, and e power x log a, and in power except x what is there, so log a, so we can write here log a. And see here, this is what, this is same thing, this is just, you can see here a power x, this one and this is same thing, so a power x times log a. Again we are getting the same answer. This is another method for the same question. So let me write here another question, question number 10. I think that there is, let's see the whatever question is there, question number 10. So hope you are enjoying this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share among your friends. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, and also press the bell icon so that you will be getting the video at first. Let's see, the next question is here. This is again from TU exam, not derivative here. The question number 10 is simply here the function is given here, the function fx is given to be 2x cube minus 6x square minus 48x plus 13. Okay, so is decreasing in the interval the first one option is 4 to 8, B option is minus 8 minus 2, option C is minus 2 and 4, D option is minus 2 to 8. Okay, these are different options given here. We have to find in which interval the function is decreasing. This is question from 2064 AG. Okay, as we have discussed already this type of problem. So what we do here, first you find f dash x. To solve this, f dash x means it will be 6x square minus 12x minus 48. So what is common here? 6. So let's take here 6 common, x square minus 2, and then it will be here 2x, it is 2x here. So simply we can factorize this 6 times x square minus will be how much here? So 8 means 4 to the 8, 4x plus 2x minus 8. So if we factorize this, so it will be getting here, I think here x minus 4 and x plus 2. So obviously our intervals are going to be, so we can just check here. So what is our answer? So if we solve here, so we are getting here for f dash x equals 0, 4 and then minus 2. So 4 and minus 2 means minus 2 and 4. So minus 2 and 4, I think only one option is there. So this is here, direct you can write answer. Also I can show you why it is going to be negative. If I choose here any number between this interval 3, let's say 3, so this is going to be negative and this positive, so finally it will be negative. So this is your correct answer. So option C, that's your correct answer. Hope you enjoyed this, and please share this video among your friends.
Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like this video. Please do share this video with your friends, in your circle, in your social media, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you.